Hi there, this is Jasmine and we are solving question 172 today. The question says, a certain company that sells only cars and trucks reported that revenues from the car sales in 1997 were down 11% from 1996 and revenues from the truck sales in 1997 were up by 77% from 1996. If total revenues from car sales and truck sales in 1997 were up 1% from 1996, then what is the ratio of revenue from the car sales in 1996 to revenue from the truck sales from 1996? So first of all, we are going to assume that X is the revenue from the car sales. Revenue from car. And we will assume that Y be the revenue from the truck sales. Revenue from truck. And this revenue was in 1996. And now in what happened in 1997, from the car sale, the revenue was down by 11%. So how much did you get here? So 11% is gone. So that means only 89% of X is left in 1997. And from the truck sales, it was up by 7%. So that means it should be 107% of X. X is written, so you can simply say that 100% of X and 100% of Y. It will be just simply as X and Y because 100%, 100 upon 100, that's just 1. So instead of writing X, we can write it as 100% of X and 100% of Y. And now in 1997, the car revenue went down by 11%, so only 89% is left. And from the truck revenue, it went up by 7%, so you can write it 107% here. Now, they have also said that the total revenue went up by 1%. So, what should be the total revenue? I'll write it down here. The total was, in this case, in 1996 was X plus Y, and in 1997, as you can see, again you can write it down 100% here. 100% of X plus Y is the revenue in 1996, and it went up by 1% in 1997. So, you can write down 101% in 1997. Alright, now let's take the ratio. What did we get here? So 89% of X plus 107% of Y, sorry, it should be Y, should be equal to this much. Let's solve it. So 89% of X plus 107% of Y is equal to 101% of X plus Y. Let's solve this. So instead of, you can take down the percent sign here, because everything is divided by 100, so which will be same as writing 89x plus 107y is equal to 101 times x plus 101 times y. Now I am going to move x on the right hand side and y on the left hand side. So 107y minus 101y, that will be just 6y, equal to 101x minus 89x, that will be 12x. So that gives you 6 divided by 12 is equal to x divided by y, and hence the ratio of x upon y is 1 upon 2. This is the ratio. What was x? The revenue from the cars in 1996, and what is y? Revenue from the trucks in 1996, and the ratio is 1:2. That's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.